right now, that massive sinkhole, and this is a view you're only going to get from Chopper 9. It's unbelievable to see it from the air. It is not only a sinkhole, it is becoming now a stinky problem right near the Cincinnati Zoo. Zach Pitts is out there on the scene and says that the only thing matching the visuals is the smell out there.
Seems to be overpowering everybody. And Zach, when you take a look at it, it really looks, you can see the full scope from up above.
Yeah, it's quite deep. It's actually 7 feet deep. I'd say about 15 to 20 feet maybe across, but I got to tell you, Dan Carroll, he's got the easy job this morning because it is quite pungent out here this morning. Every single time the wind picks up, we get a big whiff of that sinkhole because, well, frankly, it's a bunch of sewage down in there. So if you take a look behind me, you can see that they're using that big orange pump right there to suck all the sewage out of that sinkhole, and then they're rerouting it down to a different sewer line. As I said, it's about 7 feet deep, 15, 20 feet across. Now this is at Vine and Shields and University Heights. Let's go ahead and take you to some video from last night. At one point there was a bus that was sitting inside of that sinkhole. Now that bus driver was not hurt. It fell in sometime around 9 o'clock last night. Now we're told the sewer department was working in the area yesterday afternoon. They were repairing sewer pipes that were over 100 years old. Now they had just finished their work for the day. They left the road open, but eventually those sewer pipes, they gave way and the ground eventually collapsed. So neighbors who live nearby this say they're shocked this happened so close to where they live.
It could happen at my house. It could be my house. Yes, the street is cracking. That hole right there, that is bigger than any hole I ever seen in my whole entire life. I can't imagine a bus. I can't imagine me being on a bus and it just going into the ground.
So no word right now exactly when this is going to be repaired, when this road is going to be opened up. But as soon as we get that information, we'll be sure to pass it along to you. But now I want to go and toss things over to Dan Carroll. He is live in Chopper 9 up above. Or Dan, you have the easy job this morning because you are not smelling
another look
this
at
sinkhole.
the giant hole that opened up this morning, and that sewer line just gave way. And we're estimating that this hole, based on what we can see, is in the neighborhood of 15 to 20 feet deep. Now take a look. You can see in Zach's shot that they had from the ground that orange tube that was going into the sewer line there as they drain out the material that's in the sewer line there. It looks to me like it goes into this unit right here, and then take a look at this line, and whatever's coming out of there is running into another sewer. So that's just part of the process that they have to use to get this stabilized. Also, look at this row of houses right here. You imagine that the sewer from all these homes is part of that line, so you got to think that all these folks who live right here along Vine Street may very well be affected by that, and then the VA Medical Center right across the street, and you got to wonder if that's causing any sewer issues for them as well. Reporting live at Chopper 9, I'm Dan Carroll.
And we